Part 4 still on MedCyber. First of all, like I had said, the company has undergone all the industrial compliances, so that means you will be safe while working with them. You won't fear about your money or the sweat that you have invested in this particular company. So this company is certified, so you're good to work with them. Now let's look at the tasks that they are offering here. And the first one is medical transcription. Medical transcription. So what will you be doing as a medical transcriptionist? Number one, I'm going to take you through slowly. In this job, you will listen to doctors and nurses talk about patient visits and then write it all down accurately. So you listen to a conversation between a nurse and doctor while they're talking about a patient's visit, and then you write it down accurately. Now, this is super important because these records are used for everything from treatment plans to legal documents. Companies like keeping the legal documents so that in case a patient, anything happens, they can see, but that's not our thing. Our job is to make sure we write the conversations accurately.